Hi, welcome to TÜV SÜD. My name is Mirza, your tour guide for today. For those of you who have been following us, you might have known that we have moved into our brand new office at 15 International Business Park Road just last year. If not, this is a sign for you to follow us on our social media platforms. Now, let me show you our brand new office. First up, we have the Innovation Maker Space Lab. This is one of the defining features of our brand new office. Now, let me show you. This is the Innovation Maker Space Lab, where we utilize artificial intelligence to create novel digital products to help the efficiency of our testing and inspection services. One of these products is the service drone, which the Innovation Maker Space Lab team developed to reduce operational cost for smart facade inspection. It has even been used for building checks at our new office. The next place I'm going to show you is the Level 6 office. It is a reinvention of a typical office space as it combines both collaborative and individual workspaces to fulfill different needs. Let me show you. If you're looking for collaborative spaces, there are also standing bar tables where you can hold impromptu discussions with your colleagues. You can also use the TV to display whatever on your laptop. Here are what we call the phone booths. These are soundproof pods where you can conduct your calls without having to worry about having any background noises. I hope you enjoy exploring our innovative spaces in our new office today. Stay tuned for part 2 to find out more.